Are you ready? Is you ready? Ready. You say you ready. Whole squad ready. Ready. Is you ready?
What's up, y'all? It's Waverunners, and I'm here today in Clear Lake, in my area, my hometown area near Houston, and it is the official day to kick off the 2021 season for the Xtreme riders. And there's several skis out here today. It's such a beautiful day. It's like 84 degrees and it's pretty sunny, but as you can tell, it's pretty windy. Everybody is already launched out in the water somewhere around there, and we're gonna go check them out right now. I need to hurry up, but go ahead and hit that like button already, just so y'all don't forget. So our plans today is to head to ONeills and Cedar Bayou with quite a bit of a group. I don't know if you can see them. They're somewhere around here somewhere. And the winds are pretty high right now. They're about 15 miles per hour. That should make a pretty good ride in the bay. Rolling deep today. Are over here in Kima Boardwalk. You can see the Ferris wheel and everything over there, and we got the group coming through right now. Nice and breezy. Look at that view, guys. And isn't that beautiful? The whole group's out here. Well, not the whole group. We've got about 23, 25 skis. We got these, they're new. This is the second time I've met these guys. This is the live for Xtreme. I know, second time. I know, and I'm gonna show him the ropes. Yeah. This is the, that's the live. Shoot. We're here at ONeills. They have good food here, nice atmosphere. Just make sure if you're coming with a big group, tell them ahead of time. I told them ahead of time and they were able to save us a bunch of tables outside, so that was great. They also have a bunch of tables out here on the deck and plenty of boat and jet ski parking with fuel if you need some. Look how pretty that ski is. We were bumpered up together. Everybody is getting on their skis right now, and we're about to hit this river. Now, as you can see, we had our shirts on, a lot of extreme stuff going on. Number one thing is when riding in a group down rivers, especially narrow, you gotta stay one row, okay? It helps also for the passengers being beat up so bad in the back, and you can see it better. And plus it's safe to ride one row. So where are we going now? Going to Cedar Bayou. What's down Cedar Bayou?
Baytown.
Baytown? Is it nice, twisty, fast? Are we hauling ass?
Hauling ass.
Wondering what size gloves and what gloves I'm wearing today. They're the Jet Pilot gloves, and these are extra small. My hands are not too big. They have a lot of muscle in them, but they're not long fingers. But I feel like they fit just snug. Who's game? You doing it? You getting on? You getting on? Hey, Kevin.
Start heading back?
Well, whenever you're ready. But we're gonna go before y'all.
Oh, you want to haul butt?
Yeah. Okay. Do you want to lead the fast group? Okay. How fast?
We get out of the stump.
Yeah, the two stumps that are right there, those are the only ones that are like sketchy. You know, the ones that are like big, and then there's one that's floating right underneath the water. I would say get close to the stump and just run if you're gonna go fast on this one. No, I think they're gonna go. Bayou and it was fun. And we got Greg. Greg overtook it because Michael has a new RXP and he can't go to top speed.